A single dad discovered a forgotten 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air hidden inside an old garage where it had remained untouched for decades. Most people laughed at the rusted vehicle and called it worthless junk. Instead of seeing scrap metal, he saw an opportunity to restore a legendary classic and create unforgettable memories with his children. Life was never easy for the hard-working father. He balanced a full-time job while raising his children alone, leaving little time for personal dreams. Despite the challenges, he refused to abandon his passion. Every evening after work, he spent hours inside his garage working carefully on the neglected Chevrolet Bel Air together. The first step involved removing years of rust, dirt, and damaged parts. Every bolt seemed frozen, and every panel needed repair. Instead of becoming discouraged, he treated each obstacle as another lesson. His patience and determination slowly transformed the broken vehicle into something that finally showed signs of returning to life. His children became an important part of the restoration journey. They helped organize tools, cleaned small components, and cheered him on during difficult days. Working together strengthened their family bond while teaching valuable lessons about teamwork, responsibility, and never giving up, even when success seemed far away from reach. The engine required a complete rebuild before it could run again. Every worn component was replaced or carefully restored, using authentic parts whenever possible. The father spent countless nights studying repair manuals and watching experienced mechanics, determined to make the legendary V8 perform as smoothly as it once had decades earlier. Once the mechanical work was complete, attention turned toward the body and paint. Every dent was repaired with precision. Chrome trim was polished until it sparkled, and the classic paint scheme was applied flawlessly. The once-forgotten Chevrolet Bel Air slowly transformed into a breathtaking masterpiece, admired by everyone who saw it. After completing the restoration, the father created an 11-minute video documenting the entire process. Through time-lapse photography, viewers watched the abandoned classic transform into a showroom-quality automobile. The emotional video spread rapidly across social media platforms, attracting millions of viewers from around the world within only a few days. Car enthusiasts flooded the comments with praise for the incredible craftsmanship. Experienced restorers admired the attention to detail, while casual viewers found inspiration in the father's dedication. Many admitted they had never expected such a dramatic transformation from a vehicle that had appeared completely beyond saving at the beginning. Soon, invitations arrived from prestigious classic car exhibitions. Organizers wanted the restored Bel Air displayed among some of the finest vintage automobiles in the country. Visitors gathered around the car throughout the event, amazed that one determined father working from a small garage had achieved such remarkable professional quality results alone. Collectors specializing in rare American automobiles quickly noticed the stunning Chevrolet. They carefully examined every detail, appreciating the flawless restoration and authentic appearance. Several admitted that the craftsmanship exceeded their expectations and rivaled work performed by some of the world's most respected professional restoration companies with far greater financial resources. As word spread, 17 wealthy collectors expressed interest in purchasing the Bel Air. Each believed the vehicle deserved a place inside an exclusive collection of rare classics. The father appreciated their admiration, but hesitated because the car represented years of sacrifice, dedication, and priceless memories shared with his beloved children throughout. During a private gathering, the interested collectors began presenting offers. Initial bids were already impressive, but the competition quickly intensified. Every collector recognized the automobile's extraordinary quality and emotional story, making them increasingly determined to secure ownership before someone else claimed the beautifully restored Chevrolet for their private collection forever. The atmosphere inside the room became electric as each collector raised the stakes. Friends, automotive experts and spectators watched with excitement while offers climbed higher and higher. Few expected the bidding to reach extraordinary levels, yet every new proposal reflected the remarkable admiration inspired by the father's incredible restoration achievement. Eventually, the bidding war reached an astonishing total of $9.4 million. The announcement left the audience speechless as applause echoed throughout the venue. The father stood quietly beside his children, overwhelmed by the unexpected result and grateful that his dedication had inspired so many people across the automotive community. Although the extraordinary offer promised financial security, the father understood that money alone could never replace the memories created during the restoration. Every repaired panel, polished surface, and rebuilt engine component reminded him of evenings spent with his children, proving that love, perseverance, and hard work create treasures far more valuable than wealth.